Bienvenidos. Welcome to Rancho San Miguel and this beautiful Olivas adobe. I'm Don Raymundo Olivas, and this is my wife Teodora. We came to Teadora in the early 1840s when I retired from the Mexican Army. I had applied for and received a land grant. And as was required in receiving land grants, I had this splendid adobe built, raised cattle, and raised crops.
When we first came to Ventura, we had several children, but over the years we have been blessed. And today we have 21 children. Life on the rancho is good. We have land, we are trading the cattle hides. We're really very happy here. And we have wonderful celebrations. In the courtyard, our fiestas have good food and music and dancing.
Come with us into La Sala. We frequently entertain guests here, and we enjoyed family gatherings by playing cards, listening to music, and listening to this remarkable barrel piano that played tunes of the day. I bought it for the family from the merchant sea captain.
Oh, we were so excited the night you brought this home. It plays 8 tunes, many you'd recognize. And the children just loved to dance around the room when we played it.
We worked hard and we enjoyed the fruits of our labor, but we achieved financial success when we sold our cattle to the gold miners for gold. This was during the California gold rush. Rancho San Miguel has survived earthquakes, floods, fires, droughts, but it looks almost as good as it did when we first established it. Doña Teodora is not only my wife, mother of my children, but she's my advisor, my confidant, and my close companion.
Oh, Raymundo.